Hello, young scientists. My name is Scientist Max. I am happy to learn with you today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we are going to learn about how robots work. Amazing machines that can move, think, and even do jobs for humans. A robot is a machine designed to follow instructions and perform tasks automatically. Some robots look like humans, while others look like machines with wheels, arms, or legs. Robots have three main parts: sensors, actuators, and a controller. First, sensors. Sensors are like a robot's eyes, ears, and skin. They help robots detect the world around them. For example, a sensor can tell a robot if there is an obstacle in front of it. Next, actuators. Actuators are the parts that allow a robot to move. They work like muscles. Actuators can make wheels spin, arms lift, or even help a robot walk. Finally, the controller. The controller is like the brain of the robot. It tells the sensors and actuators what to do. The controller follows instructions from a program, which is a set of coded commands. Robots are used in many places. They can explore space, help in factories, assist doctors in surgeries, and even clean floors at home. Some robots can even learn and make decisions using something called artificial intelligence or AI. This lets them adapt to changes in their environment. Robots may look like science fiction, but they are very real and part of our everyday lives. Next time you see a robot, think about the sensors, actuators, and brain that help it do amazing tasks. Awesome learning, everyone. We just learned something amazing. Now let's sing our lesson song to help us remember. Get ready and sing along together.
Sensors look around, they find what's near the ground. They tell the robot, hey, what do I see today? Controller says, go now. Controller says, slow down. It listens fast and true, then tells the parts what to do. Sensors, actuators, controller. That's the robot's magic order. Sensors, actuators, controller. Read, react, and roll it over. Sensors, actuators, controller. Smart moves.
Great dancing, everyone. Now, let's recap what we have learned today before the quiz. Today, we learn how robots work. Sensors help robots detect their surroundings. Actuators allow robots to move like muscles. Controller, the robot's brain that follows programmed instructions. Robots can explore space, work in factories, assist doctors, and clean homes. Some robots use artificial intelligence to learn and make decisions. Robots are real machines that follow instructions to help humans. Now it's time for a fun challenge. Let's see how much you remember about what we learned today. Get ready to think, get ready to choose, and let's start the quiz.
It's quiz time, shout hooray. Let's see what you learned today. Science fun from me to you. Let's see what you can do.
Question 1. What part of a robot detects its surroundings? Sensors. Question 2. What part of a robot moves its arms or wheels? actuators. Question 3. What is the robot's brain called? Controller. Great job today, scientists. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what topic you would like to learn next. And remember, keep asking questions and keep exploring. I'll see you in the next lesson.